Hello friends, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to do a top-down analysis video on gold and GBPJPY. So without wasting any time, let's get started. On gold, we are going to start from the monthly time frame. Now, as you can see on the monthly time frame, price is pretty much bullish. As you can see, price is making high, low, high, high, higher, low. So we have the low, higher, low, higher, low, high, high, higher, low, higher, high, and higher, low. And right now the price is moving to the upside just to retest the previous highs, right? Also, as we can see that we had a fake out here on the monthly time frame. As you can see, there was a support candle closed below the support, and this monthly candle closed back into the range, and now we are anticipating the price to retest the previous highs, right? Okay, now let's go to weekly time frame. On the weekly, as we can see, we were making low, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. And right now the price has broken and closed above the previous resistance. So, but also we can see that there has not been a major pullback on this move. So I'm anticipating some kind of pullback to, continue higher. Now let's see what's happening on the daily. On the daily, as you can see, same like the weekly time frame, we are making high lows, high, high, high lows, and just the price moving higher, but we have not seen any major pullback. So I'm anticipating some kind of pullback on this daily time frame to continue higher. Also, there is something to notice here that on the daily time frame, this was a resistance, price close above the resistance, and since then, the candles are respecting the support. So the thing is, like, if we get if we keep respecting the support, then we can continue higher. Or if we get a daily candle close below the support, then we can anticipate the price to go down, and the deep pullback that we are anticipating, that can become a reality in this scenario. So anyways, let's see what's happening on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we are making higher highs and higher lows. We are making high lows, high, high, higher lows, high, high, higher lows, high, high, higher lows. So as you can see, price is pretty much bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows, and there has been a strong support here that we can see. Same like the daily time frame, price is respecting this particular support. There are multiple times price has been respecting this support. And so now let's see and go to the lower time frames. Let's go to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, price is respecting this support. Same like the 4-hour time frame, we are respecting the support at the moment. And if you go to the 30-minute time frame, then on the 30-minute time frame, we can see that the price was making low, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. And since then we are ranging between the support and resistance. So as we can see, this is the support, and this is the resistance. So price is ranging between this support and resistance. Same on the 1-hour and the 30-minute chart. So what we are anticipating right now, that for the price to go down, as I mentioned before, that we should need some kind of candle closing below this. Maybe that's a 4-hour candle or the daily candle close below this support, so that we can have some more confidence in order the price to go down. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty tough to anticipate what's going to happen. So now let's come back to 30-minute chart. So what we are anticipating right now on the 30-minute chart, so as I mentioned, if we get some 4-hour daily candle close below the support, then we can anticipate more movement to the downside. But if we get bullish candle close here to the upside above this resistance, then we will anticipate the price to move higher and retest the previous previous highs. So that will be the move here on the 30-minute, the same way as I mentioned, like for the 4-hour chart. So if something like that here happened, if we get some kind of closing below this support, definitely, on 30-minute and 1-hour chart, it's going to be pretty tough to take trading position. But if we suppose the price made a move to the downside, then what we can anticipate, we can anticipate pullback or retest of this zone. And if we find some bearish candle closing at this level again, then we can look for a shorting entry to retest the previous low. So that can be the entry that we can anticipate in that scenario, right? So okay, so now let's go to GJ now. Let's see what's happening on the GJ. We are going to start with the monthly time frame. On the monthly, as we can see, GJ is pretty much making higher highs and higher lows. We are making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher highs and higher lows. So price is pretty much bullish. Now, if we look closely, then we can find that there was a support here. There was a support candle close below the support, and now the current monthly candle is still in progress. So if we get the current monthly candle closing above this level, right? Above this level, then this move to the downside will become a fake out, and we will anticipate the next monthly candle to continue higher and retest the new highs, and maybe most probably make a new highs, right? But if that doesn't happen and the candle close below this resistance, then it will be a 50-50 chance. Price can either go down, or we can continue down as well to retest further lows, right? So a lot will depend upon how this monthly candle closes. Now let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. On the weekly, as you can see, the price is pretty much bullish. We are making high highs and higher lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows. So price is pretty much bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows. If we look closely, then we will find that there was resistance. Price broke and closed above this resistance, and last weekly candle also respected this support now. So this resistance has turned into a support. So we are anticipating something like movement to the upside. As we can also see that the range is pretty clean until here, and continuation of the move to the upside. This is something anticipated on the weekly time frame. On the daily, as you can see, that there is a strong resistance because the price is not able to close above this resistance, right? And also there is a support right here. Also there is a support right here. Overall, we can see that the price has been making some downward movements, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, right? And price is ranging between this resistance and this support at the moment. So we need some kind of daily candle closing above the resistance so that we get some kind of confidence in order the price to move to the upside and retest the previous highs, right? That is something will be anticipated. If you get a daily candle closing above this level, then there'll be higher probability of price moving to the upside. Now let's see what's happening on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, if we see price is making high low, high low, and as we can see, the price is ranging between this high and this low at the moment, right? So we already have a resistance there, and at the same time we have a support here, right? So if we get a bullish candle closing above the resistance, then we will anticipate the price to continue higher and respect the highs, the previous highs on the left hand side. If that doesn't happen and the price closes below the support, then there will be high probability for the price to continue down and retest the lows. This is going to be the first target, and price can continue lower to go to more, to retest the more lows, right? Now let's see what's happening on the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, we can see price is pretty much making high lows, high lows at the moment. So we are in a little bit, bullish momentum. On the 30-minute chart, price is currently making low highs, lower highs, right? So then that can be continuation of this move to the downside, or we can, come up. But anyways, if we look closely on the 30-minute chart, we will find that there is a support here. There is a support and there is a resistance, right? The same is visible on the 1 hour chart as well. Yeah, the same is visible on the 1 hour chart as well. So if we get suppose if we get a bearish candle close, because the range here is not clean, so it's better to look for the shorting opportunity below this support, right? If you get a bearish candle closing below this support, so that will be like the break of the previous low as well. So that will be kind of new low. So continuation of the 30-minute downtrend. So if we get a candle closing below this level, we can anticipate the price to continue lower and retest more lows to the downside. If we get a break and close above this level, then that will be the continuation of overall bullish trend that we have on the higher time frames, like 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, right? And if we get a candle closing above this level, as I mentioned, if we get a 4 hour, the daily candle closing above this level, then that will be, that will give us more confidence in order to anticipate that the price is going to the upside, right? So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on the gold and GBPJPY from monthly to the 30-minute time frame. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.